Okay, we're going shopping now at the Tanger outlets. Hi, Mom.
Hi.
We're going to go in American Eagle and then probably PacSun and I don't know what else. Okay, so we just left the shopping place and we got our cotton candy frappuccinos, which you can't even really see because I'm washed out right now. But now we're going to Walmart to get an airbrush shirt, and we'll probably do like a haul of the things that we bought while we were here. Tomorrow's our last day, so. No. And we're probably gonna go tan later and stuff, so. Bye. Okay, so we're at this airbrush place in Walmart, and we're getting our airbrush shirts. We have our shirts, and they're just white. And we'll show you our design. That's the first one right there. It says Dorian Camille. We just arrived at the Wax Museum. Yeah. This is what it looks like. And then you have the Marilyn Monroe. Okay, we're at the Wax Museum, and there's Angelina Jolie. And there is, I don't know who that is, but
Robert Downey.
yeah. And then there is Halle Berry back there, and I don't know who that is. Antonio something. And they have like the Pirates of the Caribbean over there and a lot more. So we're going to keep walking. Okay, and there's Marilyn Monroe. She's like my favorite. And then there's Elvis, and I don't know the rest of these people. Okay, so here's Adam Sandler. And Michael Jordan. And Barbara, yeah. And then there's, what's her name? Lucille Ball. What? Yeah. And then there is Brandon Fraser and The Rock.
I'm getting pictures of him.
I know he looks scary.
Oh,
So here is Robert Pattinson and Kristen Stewart. Oh my gosh. I'm getting my picture made with these. Okay, so right now we're in the horror chamber. Here is Friday the 13th. And they're creepy. Okay. They have like all kinds of stuff. Oh, okay. Here's the Texas Chainsaw Massacre and Tales from the Crypt. I'm literally like so scared right now. Halloween, Michael Myers. I think this is over almost. What's in there? Frankenstein and Dracula. And that's Oh, I know. Okay, there's Marilyn Monroe. And Leonardo DiCaprio. Oh my god. And there's Miley Cyrus over there in the distance. And then Beyonce and everybody. There it goes. So we're watching fireworks. It's kind of far away, but... And we're out here with no pants on.
Oh my god. Cold chill.
Oh, it's so pretty.
She's making popcorn.
I'm making popcorn. It's like Jiffy Pop, isn't it? I'm making it. I'm stoned. Yeah. I'm gonna be the spokesperson for this.
We got tatted up, by the way.
Yeah, we got a tattoos. Oh, but it's not burning, is it?